This property is a 3-bedroom, 4 full baths, and 1/2 bath home. This property is listed for $2,997,000. Interior features of this property include wood flooring, a gas fireplace, a sunroom, a formal dining room, an eat-in kitchen, a full basement, natural gas heat, a gourmet kitchen, and a kitchen island. On the outside, this property features a detached garage, a river view, a balcony, a deck, and a private boat dock. This property is represented by
Ted Kinkel, Long & Foster.